one of them is that we work a lot, like we get that fulfillment of the dopamine void when we are actually working in the direction of our passion. Like I've seen many of my colleagues and many of my friends are too much workaholic. They work a lot, they work on their passion and everything. And simultaneously I know people who feel very dull, very lazy, very unpassionate about things, like a couch potato. Like they do not have any passion, or they are just trying to figure out what their passion is and still not working on anything, which sounds very weird to me. So I try, like what my point is, to those people, like some of them are really close friends of mine and I've analyzed them for over a very long time. And what I personally feel is, we know, like हम जानते हैं whatever we do right now. For example, for a very shallow example, like what I do, I'm engineering student, and basically I'm into coding and all the geeky coders, like who work as a software developers or anything as a data scientist, like majorly in the IT field. I do like my work. I do like to explore new technologies and everything, and I'm certainly good at that. But sometimes when I figure out at night ki whatever I did today, did it made too much happy? Did it made me much happy, like a full satisfaction? And from a very long point of time, I used to think, yeah man, like I'm too much good at this, I should pursue this only as my career. Like what we need from a career, the work which makes us happy and a good amount of money to survive. Like that's the very well known equation to most of the college buddies. Like they need a good package, or they need to start something on their own so that they can survive well with experiencing the a good amount of luxury too. But from a very long point of time, I was thinking, man, is this the work I want to pursue 20 or 30 years down the lane? And the answer that came to my mind, no man. I mean, my personal strengths really don't align with the work I do. I feel most of my creative energy I'm not using in the work I do professionally. So how can I actually love that work? It might be some of my fantasy. It was one of my fantasy, to be much good at this technology. No, fantasy won't be a right word. Maybe something which was making me exciting, or you can call it anything. But to be honestly speaking, मेरी personal strengths, what I actually explored about myself, were not actually aligning with the work I was doing, like I'm currently also doing, and which the work which I was going to pursue professionally after my college ends, like. And so anything. And from some months, it was not actually making me feel excited anymore. I was not getting that kick or that drift. What the thing which was making to do that work was, my peer. My peer was actually doing the same kind of work, and that was the reason I felt motivated, to also pace them. But I felt one thing, and it's my personal experience, ki no, like how can I actually use my personal strengths into my professional work? Because I had this fear factor too, because everyone of us wants to settle well. We want a kind of security in our life, be it monetary, be being it financial independence or anything. But at nights I used to thought ki I actually like to read, I like to know about the lives of the people, I do like to know about the cultures. Like my creative energy works very well in those domains. But still I'm doing the work professionally, the pursuing the work professionally, which is exactly not making me happy at the end of the day. So I try to relate the ideas, like how can I switch my career or anything with the ideas I feel in which I feel much lively, much lively. And somehow I actually got to know by doing a lot of research कि how can I actually go in the direction, go in the right direction, because no one shows you the guidance or the path. They just show you the torch in the middle of your path to be clear about the next few steps. This is what life is. It's like a car जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ हेडलाइट है, एक अंधेरा है पूरे फॉरेस्ट में, आप उस फॉरेस्ट में जा रहे हो, your cars are having the headlights और आपको कुछ next few steps दिख रहे हैं to make sure कि at least for some time you are going into the right direction. No one or nothing will show you the right path in your life. So here's the teaching of Vivekanand. The one of his most famous quote came: take up one idea, make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, and live on that idea. And what he actually meant is what meant by this is, हम लोग को काफ़ी आइडियाज़ आते हैं, लाइक सब लोग क्रिएटिव बहुत होते हैं. नो वन इज़ लाइक अ नडी कि उसको बस एक ही चीज़ बताई जाए और एक ही चीज़ बोली जाए और वो करता रहे. लाइक मैनी ऑफ द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स डू दिस थिंग ऑन लो, क्योंकि उनको एक्सपोजर नहीं होता है और कॉल इट एनी थिंग. सो think of one idea very close to you, the one idea which is very true to you, which you actually believe in. And no matter if you know how to implement it or execute it, how to make it successful, but just think of one idea and imagine it. Imagine that one idea being implemented successfully and being implemented by you. You will start living that idea. You will, when you will start seeing that idea being executed or implemented or fulfilled, the kind of satisfaction or the fulfillment of that of one dopamine void you will feel, it would it would be going to an incredible experience, I must say. But what is the starting point of it is, take it up. Think of nothing else. Take the deepest, most truthful thing to your heart. Think about it. Make that raw idea in a very refined way and just feel it. Take it on a body. Dream that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave any other idea. Just leave any other thought and start believing your idea. Thoughts will automatically come to your mind on how to fulfill those idea, how to make your career out of it. Career would be a very shallow word, I would say. Make your life out of it. Make yourself believe this, that you can actually do that thing. This was one of the thing when what I wanted to say, because I've seen people saying, I've seen many people saying, KR, I'm not doing the work which I like. It is not making me happy. All I'm making good amount of money, but I do feel a lack in my life. Because most of the people don't have courage. लोगों के पास courage नहीं होता है. And courage के साथ साथ आप लोगों को और भी जो important चीज़ें acquire होती हैं, these are resistance. Because you will feel many obstacles, many dislikes, many demotivation from the people around you, even your family members, even the members who are closest to you. So courage के साथ साथ you have to learn to be resistant, to be still motivated on those points in your life. I think this is the way to success. This is the way to success. Ki take the idea which you most believe in and then try to go to that path. Because if you won't believe in yourself, you can't believe in anything. You can't believe in fate. You can't believe in the way of success until and unless you start believing in yourself. You start believing in your personal strength. Self doubts may come, and I would say कि self doubt तभी आते हैं when we feel mediocre, when we feel someone else doing better than us in that particular domain. And obviously you will find people doing much better than you in that particular domain, but that should not be a demotivating point. That should be the point, you to remind you that there's still much to learn, and you are eager to learn about it, you are excited to learn about it without feeling demotivated or jealous. Maybe this was one of the main thing I wanted to say.